These are my top 3 favorite shades from Focallure Transfer Proof Lipstick. Ang tanong niya, anong bagay sa medyo maputi? I got you covered. Let's watch This is PK01, PK02, and NU03. This will be your MLBB shade. This will serve as your MLBB shade or yung perfect for everyday ganda. Oh my gosh. And this is my favorite shade. Oh my gosh, this is such a stunning shade. Like, you will never go wrong with this shade. Ang lakas makaganda nitong shade na to. Once it dries down, it's hard to remove. Like, oh my gosh, I've been removing this kanina pa. If you wanna go fierce, yung Boss Babe ang atake, go with this shade. This is such a lovely shade. This one is NU03 and perfect ito kahit anong skin tone color mo. Must have tong shade na to for every makeup kit. Again, kung gusto mo tong mga to, ilalagay ko dyan sa yellow basket. Yun lang mga girls. Bye!